Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay. Today I'll review new project. The name is GK2 project. All I think of GK2 project is good. Today I'll discuss about GK2 to their website and for my opinion. I hope able to understand all the thing about this project. Okay, don't skip the video, stay full video. So let's discuss the main topics. It is website of this GK2 project. There is many details here. Please visit this site. You can see there are many details. GK2 decentralized wallet based on Layer 2, the combination of zero knowledge protocol and Layer 2. So their social media link, Reddit, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Medium. Their social media link. Please visit this site. You can see their social media link and visit this site. You can understand about this project. Okay, the introduction to GK2. So GK2 is a Layer 2 protocol which use zero knowledge proof and rule of GK. Rule of 2 relies low transaction and fee high throughput transaction between it and ERC20. So okay, so I hope this project has a bright future. So one of the best project at this moment time. So everything is all of this project. The security transaction fee TPS TPS 3000 plus. Okay, so everything is all of this project. Announcement on the GK2 test net update. The Intel update of the GK2 testnet was completed at 6 UT on July 13. All users participate in the okay. So question our field speed join the technical community. Okay, GK2 recommended by the Ethereum Foundation for public donation. So wallet, my wallet. Okay, so tokenomics of this project. Just wait. ETH2 account. So okay, with the deposit transfer it is very easily. Okay, GK2 source. GK2 link by block explorer. Okay, so block number. Okay, so is so okay, verify. GK2 white paper simple solution by complex connection 2021.7. Okay, abstract regarding the overall design of the GK2 project. We will make the following details described in this file. Category project background, introduction, GK2 introduction, functional overview, frame design, principal GK2 operating matching, their type of operation at the studio homes, bears validity numbers. So there is many details here. Project background. So nowadays the problem, the Ethereum network and high handling fee are becoming more seriously solving the problem of network congestion and achieving scaling is the addiction that may research we have working hard on. A successful solution of the scaling problem of the public solution is not related to transaction, though it is must also be achieved the system meet the need of millions of users without sacrifice decentralized in the context of this era. Technical background broken daily. Okay, so introduction, GK2 introduction. Lower cost per user. Okay, throughput and scalability. Ethereum inner lower security guarantee. Ecology value of Ether. So functional overview. GK2 will support mutual transfer from Ethereum L1 and L2 allow user to receive found without creating a wallet. Support transfer Ethereum address or Ethereum contact address. contactless support L2 GK2 protocol. So frame design GK2 operating matching, so system roles, initiative matching, prover adopt decentralized design, and the main function of provide is generation zero knowledge probability, and the user assist changes are managed by the user wallet such as MetaMask. The contact and service of GK2 are responsible for the transfer and storage of data, and it ultimately will not affect the use assist original GK2 or some original code do the provide, but GK2 is satisfied for the following processing: uh, mm, sign up, deposit, would transfer. Okay, so there is a many details here. Bears, comparison matching, signature. Okay, so bears packings and stage road isolation. GK2 technical improve based on plug algorithm optimization. GK2 scaling effect. GK2 protocol support deposit. Okay, if the ether is true and GK2 layer 2 account, the object creative while it is create must have access to the Ethereum signature. If you ERC token is to read the transfer of the token must approve, though it's already passed, so that we can take we can transfer it is the layer to the account in the process user unlock ERC token to optimum permanent approval for ERC deposit. Okay, so transfer you would so buy sell it GK2 be scan NFT, so rose roll up cross create wallet. Okay, so there is a many details here. Okay guys, please visit this site. You can see their white paper and read by line. You can understand about this project. External benefit, chain governance. On the chain governance, GK2 chain governance update on upgrade the protocol. Those that can take a chain governance is governed by median aborting firstment and elimination matching, and all GK2 holder to participate in the network construction, and the one chain governance matching is still development. Community atomy meaning model. It's okay. Role description. What is relational? So GK2 application governance can GK2 is decentralized project led by the community. GKT is the certificate of the community participle of the government. User can hold a certain number of GKT with individual upgrade proposal charge modify the GK long term incentive plan etc. Meaning so gift currency asset certificate liquid certificate. So okay, so team member roadmap of this project as an open source payment network, n plus dev solution roadmap GK2. Okay, so dissimilar this is a document of the organized into the book based on this project idea, technical principle for reliefs by the technical personal communication and academic research among ethicists, and that does not constrain their investment service. This document is not being contact agreement between GK2 and the industrial thing chain with the further development of GK2. Okay, there is many details here. GK2 ring block explorer, so wallet, so white paper, so I hope I hope this project has a bright future. So one of the best project at this moment time. So everything is all of this project. So I hope this project give us a very good profit. Don't worry, investor. So it is high probability project, guys. Okay, guys. So no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.